got fun stuff. This is Fee's first time building a computer.
Story advance.
What is that?
This is the power supply.
Good job.
This is the processor.
It is. AMD Ryzen 5.
That's the SSD.
Yep.
The motherboard.
Yes. MSI MPG
heart.
X570.
Water cooler. I actually got a water cooler.
I hope it didn't freeze. Okay. So my question for you is building a computer, what do we start with? Until it falls into place. There you go. Then, how convenient were computers in the 90s? So,
Ooh.
I don't think got bad in there actually.
No. Does it have RGB? No.
You gave it too much ham before you figured out you were backwards. There you go. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yo, you are so adorable. Gosh, I know you're just so cute.
Cable management time.
Yep. Stand it up. Careful.
I really hope it doesn't matter, like, if they're close where they're plugged in at, because they had to kind of, like, put their...
Series. Not super well. 7 and 1 more. That makes 8. Okay. I remember which screws are in that. She had to get up on the table.
I'm on the chair.
Okay, that one you are cross-setting, I think.
Alright. This is kind of where you lose me.
Okay.
In knowing what to do.
Okay.
Power cord.
Okay.
In.
Now plug everything else in first. That way if it does work, we'll know right away. Is everything plugged in?
Yep.
Turn on the power supply. It's really bright. Okay, press the power button.
Which one's the power button?
That one. I'd press and hold it a touch longer than you just did.
The motherboard's lit up on the bottom. Babe.
Okay, power light just came on.
Oh, we got a red light.
You might still be doing memory training. It's a first boot, keep in mind.
Okay.
First boot's gonna take a while.
Yeah, it's ranked already once. That's 30. AMD Ryzen.
16 gigs of RAM, dual channel. We have posted. It boots.
I built my first computer.
You built a computer and it is.
Look at how bright it is. Wait, okay, they are working.
We have to get away.